Welcome to session 23 of Word Power Made Easy. The root that we had learnt in the previous session was malice, which means bad. The opposite of that root is bonus or bene, which means good. The word coming from these roots are benign or benignant, which means kindly, good natured, something that does not cause harm or damage. It is the opposite of the word malign. The next word is benediction. Benediction has the roots bene, which means good, plus dictus, which means to say or tell. So, benediction is saying good or a blessing. The next word is benefactor, which has the roots bene plus factus, which means to do. Benefactor is someone who does good things for others, who helps others by providing financial aids, gifts, or anything, or who comes to rescue someone when they are in need. Benefactress is a word used for woman who helps others. The next word is beneficiary. Beneficiary is someone who receives the help. Benefit and beneficials are also some words which mean good, like the help provided by the teacher was beneficial for my exams, so it provided advantage to me. The next word is benevolent. Benevolent has the roots bene plus volo, means to wish. Benevolent means wishing good for someone. The next word is bonus, which means extra. So coming from that root is bona fide, which has the roots bona, which means good or extra, plus fide, which means faith or trust. So bona fide is something which is valid, genuine, which can be trusted. For example, a bona fide document or a bona fide contract is someone which can have a guarantee and which can be assumed to be genuine. It has no fraud. The next word is fidelity, which comes from the Latin root fides, F-I-D-E-S, which means faith or trust. Also, Fido, F-I-D-O, is a stereotypical name for a dog, and dog is someone who is a faithful friend. So, fidelity means faithfulness. And infidelity, since you have used the negative prefix in, it becomes the opposite. So, it means someone who is not faithful, unfaithfulness. Infidelity also refers to someone who has no religion. So, someone who does not have the right faith or religion. The next word is benediction. Benediction comes from the root bene plus dictus, which means to say or tell. So, benediction is saying good or blessing, that we had already done previously. Coming from that root is contradict. Contradict means contra, which means against, plus dictus, to say. So, to say against something or give an opposite statement. The next word is factory. Factory comes from the root fatio, which means to do, and O-R-Y means a place where. So, a place where something is done or something is manufactured. The next word is volo, which means to wish. So, voluntary is wishing to do something or willing to do something. So, it is done by your own will. No one has obligated you to do it, or no one has asked you to do it, but you are wishing to do it from your own will. Involuntary is the opposite, since we use a negative prefix in. The next root is placket. The next word is placket, which comes from the root plac, P-L-A-C, which means to please or to soothe someone. So placating means turning a person's hostile attitude into a favorable or a friendly attitude. For example, lowering down someone's anger by giving them something which they like. So for example, if someone is angry with you, you try to placate them, which means you try to cool them down by giving them something which they like. The next word is placative. Placative is someone who can easily be pleased. So someone who does not be angry for a long time. The next word is implacable. Implacable has a negative prefix in in the start, so it means a person who cannot be easily pleased or who cannot be easily changed. For example, if government has taken a decision and they do not want to change it, so the decision is implacable. The next word is complacent, which has the roots com, which means with or together, plus placid, which means calm or undisturbed. So complacent means satisfied with how the things are. You do not want to change anything. You are a satisfied person if you are complacent. The noun is complacence or complacency. The next word has the root dono, D-O-N-O, which means to give. So condone means to forgive or to overlook. So for example, if your friend has done something wrong, but you still condone him, which means you forgive him, you overlook the act they have done. The noun is condonation. So from dono, the root, there are other words also like donor, someone who gives. Donate is to give, and donation means a gift. Now is the following exercise. You can pause the video and solve. So you can make sure that you recollect the English words for the suffix given. These are the pronunciations. You can try to see if you pronounce it in a correct way. Match the column. You can pause the video and solve it, and then check the answers. Also, from the roots that we have done today, you can form sentences of your own and comment below. Make sure you keep revising the roots so that you remember, and then whichever word you have, you can easily find the meaning for that word. Solve these exercises by pausing the video, and you can also comment below in the comment section. So this is a mixed exercises where some of the roots may be from the previous session. So make sure you have seen the videos of previous session. And that's the end of today's session. Thank you.